Hello good people, welcome to Jest Cuisine Kitchen. Thank you for clicking. In this channel, we are all about food and fun, recipes, challenges, reviews, name it, anything food. If you'd like to be a part of the family, kindly subscribe, and if you'd like to participate, kindly let us know. In today's video, we're going to review another restaurant in Mombasa, Mombasa Swahili Dishes. If you have been there or have had an experience with the restaurant, comment down below. Let us know your take. So come with us. So to start us off, we started by reviewing the menu, as you can see. So we can review the menu together. You can see the different prices and the food they offer. I believe by their name they specialize in Swahili dishes. Yeah, so let's go through the menu. As we go through the menu, I'd like to highlight that the restaurant is in Haile Selassie Road, that is in Mombasa. And in case you've not been to Mombasa and you would like to know how to get there, like we said in our earlier video, you just need to get into a tuk-tuk or a motorbike or a taxi and it will take you there. Most of the taxi people know the locations, although some may end up confusing you. Just make sure the person knows before you leave your destination. Someone really took us around when we were looking for crave. Something I observed about this display is the wrapping. It's quite interesting. I feel like they have wrapped it as a gift. What do you think, guys? And what is your impression of their display? Okay, it was not all that, and I think obviously they can do better. What would be your first impression if you come across such a display? Comment down below. Let's get to the reviews by other people from online as we tour the restaurant. So there's Riaz, who said one of the best places to visit. The service and staff are all good, and also the food is very tasty, like homemade, beautiful. Someone else said the food, that is tikka and naan, was too good, although service could have been faster. Wouldn't mind going again. There's Z, who said some dishes good, some okay. Ambience of what you would expect for a cafe in town. Makati Siani was very good. I hope that's a person. Abdul gave them a 5-star and said, we had dined for you, a Mombasa Swahili Dishes restaurant where you can spend your time with your family and friends with very nice investment and eat delicious fresh food. Of course, with positive compliments come some negative. Again, this is as like Crave. This also didn't have a bad review, and the only review that I could get was it is very slow service and they put only one piece of meat in a mutton biryani plate. To make it worse, it was a bone with no meat on it. That is Shizad. My take is I would give them a 5 because I feel there's some sort of being average. If you have been to this restaurant, please comment down below on your rating. Thank you for being with us this far. We really appreciate. For returning viewers and Premier Gang, thank you so much for your continued support. And for new viewers or viewers who have been watching and have not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that you are notified of our weekly videos. of course, I had company, so let them say hi. Say hi, Fly.
Hi.
Happy, say hi. The restaurant's setup is either you have a buffet or you can have an a la carte. So as you can see, this is their buffet setup. I think it costs about 1400 Kenya shillings. That's approximately $14. And it has a variety of 20 meals to choose from. So as you can see, so you have the option of either going all white meat or red meat, or you just mix. Coming to talk of meat, what is your take on the rule of if you're taking white meat, you take strictly white meat, and if you're taking wine thereafter, you take white wine, and vice versa? What's your take? Do you do that, or do you just mix everything in your plate? Comment down below. As for me, I am team mix and gather them. So that's all the food that was available on that day. I don't know whether there are options, but this is basically what was there. So we now head to the juice station. It was before lunchtime, so they had not set up the juices. So I'm assuming by lunchtime they will have set up. And then of course that is the seating arrangement. You can see Kathy and Sly over there. Come to the taste test. How is it? Next.
For the first time, we will try.
Iko tamu? Awesome. At this restaurant we had mutton biryani. As you can see, their portion is huge and it comes with some kachumbari, which I really liked, and some pili-pili if you want. So let's have the taste test. I will leave you with the menu in case you would be interested to know their rates, so that when you're in Mombasa, you can visit them. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep it here for weekly videos, and let us know what you want to watch on this channel. We are all about food and fun, and if you'd like to participate in our challenges, please let us know. You can DM us or reach us out by commenting down below. Thank you. And of course, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell. For returning viewers and Premier Gang, thank you so much for your continued support. We value you.